Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold Vlog 114. This is another episode of doing an iPhone repair. That's what we do, so we cannot do anything else right now because that's what we do, and we're just documenting our journey in this phone business and how we are so humble and diligent in making sure everyone's phones are fixed and everyone's frowns are twisted and curved upside down to a smiley face. So we are here right now. We just got to Santa Monica and Vine. It's our previous customer, J&J Auto Repair, which is right here, and we are pulling up to fix their iPhone 6 Plus. This is the third time that we're fixing the same phone, and it's going down. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. See you guys soon. Peace. Hey guys, this repair is kind of crazy. The phone didn't really break, but pretty much there was like a little crack at the bottom, and then it just kind of spread, and it kind of started this thing. There's some, I guess, some water got in or something. Pretty much it's a glass crack, but it happened on its own because of the bottom crack was there. That's what I was told, so we're pretty much going to give a new screen. Everything works though, so just the fact that that little crack just kind of got spread like a spider and just made a mess. So we're going to give it a new screen. This time we're putting on tempered glass, so that will not happen again, because that's what usually causes any kind of little crack can cause your screen to shatter. So get to it. Enjoy the show, and thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold Vlog 114. This first thing you do always is, of course, turn off the phone, and here we start. Hey guys, we just finished that phone. It was an iPhone 6 Plus Black. The screen was just had a little crack at the bottom, so it just kind of gradually just made the whole phone like have this like side diagonal crack, and we just give him a new screen. He's a previous customer and he's kind of a friend now. We couldn't really charge him a price, so we just charged him for the part, like literally 1/3 of the retail of the repair price. So he was happy, we're happy, everything is good vibe. It's Friday, it's beautiful, and we are now on our way to Long Beach to fix the iPhone 6 battery. It came from a lead called Fixed. It's a company we use to get leads on customers, and they do their own marketing, and we just pretty much benefit from that, and they all make money, we make money, and everything is Gucci. That's about it guys, that'll conclude for vlog 114. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you in vlog 115. Thank you for watching. Peace. Cut. It's a wrap.